Hey there guys, Bruce from CellPro here. Just doing a screen replacement on an iPhone 12. Alright, so first thing you want to do is remove these screens, remove these pentalopes. I've already kind of removed them. Alright, so there we go. Next thing you want to do is, this screen's already been removed, so I'm just going to put that in there, pop that guy up, and then just sort of work around it, just to sort of get that off. Like so. It's usually a lot more difficult than that. You got to heat it up or use some isopropyl if you're going to be trying to get the screen off well. Then you want to use isopropyl. All right. All right, so that guy's off now. Take her off like so. Now we're into it. All right, so now you want to grab a tri-wing. That is not a tri-wing. Alright, now we're going to pop that guy off, put her back over there on the magnetic mat. It's off. Alright, now we're going to take that off, and take that off, put that there and there on the magnetic mat, put this guy over there. Pop that off. Pop that off. Pop that guy, and then it just comes off. All right, now you set this body aside here. Tri-wing again. This guy looks like it's gonna come off easy because again, this screen has already been replaced once. If you haven't removed the screen before, you're going to want to heat this guy up. CellPro. All right, that was a spam call. All right, so we are going to tug lightly on this here. There you go. So that guy came off pretty easily. And that's off, and this is garbage. We're gonna grab our new screen. Take these things off. All right, so we kind of flip her over. We take these, we make sure we're getting them into the right spot here. That's in. All right, that bad boy's in its place. Put this on there. Hold her down. Phillips. Oh, hit that guy. Okay. Phillips. Tri-wing. Tri-wing. All right. We're gonna check this out here. I'll put that guy on there. This guy kind of fits on like so. Then this guy goes on like so. And that one. Then we're gonna turn her on, test her out. Out of batteries, but it's working, so. All right, so now I take this. I'm gonna place this guy, it's got a little notch here. So you place that notch in this notch. And then I always start by putting a screw in that, well, for fuck's sakes. In there. There we go. So now this guy kind of stays. Okay, well I kind of screwed up here, but put the wrong screw in the wrong place. Just kind of started filming, so it's getting a little bit more difficult than I would have imagined with the filming. I believe that guy goes over there, perfect. All right. So I always kind of just go like that, get them on there, and let it sit. And then just hammer it on like that. Again. Like so. On like that. Now let's close her up. Always check around here to make sure there's no screws loose that got on there that are hiding, because as soon as you close that, it's going to close on it. And then you're going to possibly have an issue. But we're looking good. Now I'm going to take these bad boys. Put them on there. And that's that, guys. That's the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to it. Thumbs up, the whole bit. Give me a comment or a question if you got questions. And all right, guys, thanks.